It seriously sounds like you shit yourself, Scott.
Smell it. Smell
The
your
fuck?
fucking
I'm
ass.
not listening to smelling that.
FML. FML. If you slam dunk me,
One more time.
oh my god. God. I'm gonna kill you.
Can I hurt you, baby?
What? Do you treat me like your freaking sister and I have to hold my boobs because you slam dunk me?
Beautiful chocolate man. Did you just fart?
No!
Stand up.
Ah! I'm gonna get you right now.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
You're not moving.
Oh. Oh. Oh, fucking. Your fucking asshole and your wiener. I wanna fucking shove your own dick in your own ass.
You realize you're being recorded, alright?
I don't care.
Like, he's recording this. Ah! Stand back.
I have to slam dunk your balls. Did you see?
Farted.
I'm not farting.
Stand back.
This is what happens when we don't fuck in like 2 weeks.
You start pressing it.
Start getting pissed.
I'm not even pissed. You're the one who's pissed. You're freaking out right now.
Don't slam dunk me. No! Slam dunk. You just want this.
Oh, you're just flipping on me.
Ow!
Hey. Hey. None of that.
You can't hold my hand, that's cheating.
You're gonna. I hurt my finger.
Oh, did you? Which one, Bucky?
You know which one?
Show me. What did you see? Oh, which is your Bucky? Oh my god. Oh my god. The damn slam dunk.
That's a herpy right there. Right.
I don't have herpes.
You have herpy.
You say it one more time.
You have herpy right there. We're manifesting, right? You have herpy.
Why do you want me to have a herpes?
Stand up.
Why do you want me to have herpes?
I don't.
So why
You
do
have one right. You have one right there. You just like Zeke howled like 2 times. Oh. Oh god. I'm out. I'm not stand up. You're fucking insane, you know that?
Why my asshole?
Because it bothers you. Oh shit.
One of these times you're gonna get his fucking thumb right up your asshole.
Why are you doing it yourself?
I'm not doing it myself.
You're like plugging it.
Yes. So you can no. Oh. I don't like it.
Oh. And you think I do?
Yeah, you like squeal every time I do it.
Because I'm getting a finger in my asshole. Slam dunk.
Ow! You can't slam those balls.
You can't slam back boobs either.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. The pain.
Don't pinch me. You're like Gary's mom.
Like Gary's mom.
When Gary's really gay in the grocery store, she was like this. I'm like, oh my god. And she pinches him. I'm sweating.
Would you like to see how ridiculous you guys
I really
look?
didn't mean to do it. Can I kiss it? I promise. My hands, I'm gonna kiss it. Why do you treat me like your sister?
My sister wouldn't kiss my dick.
You would fart your sister's face, though.
I don't think so. You get so mad if I did that.
Would you like to see how ridiculous you guys look, Harmony?
Oh, that's so comfortable. Oh, baby.
Okay.
Fill out and mail back the census today. Because your census answers are more than just answers. They're the